Connecting a radiator with the built-in one heating element to the power supply. A radiator with the built-in one heating element is available in two versions, with a cable without a plug and with a cable fitted with a plug. In radiators with the built-in one heating element, there is a cable cover in the location of one of the mounting brackets. The power supply for the radiator is connected along the axis of this cable cover. The radiator itself is securely mounted to the wall using the other three mounting brackets. If the radiator is connected to a central heating system, it is essential to fill it with a heating medium and bleed it before switching on the heating element. Filling is done in the same way as with a standard water radiator, by introducing the medium from the central heating system through the radiator valve and bleeding the system using the air vent.